you how to make an internet detector in Scratch that will show you if your actual internet is on or not. So first you want to get the translate extension by clicking on this add extension box and choosing translate. Now you want to do one green flag clicked, hide, because we don't want anything to show when we click on the green flag until we get some information. And then we will do forever. Then we will do if else. Now we will do, and then we will get this translate hello to Amharic. Then I know what this thing is, but it might be on a different language. So now we could go to setting and get the timer. And you could change this to whatever language you want. I'll just choose Catalan for now. Now you will want to do equals. So if translate timer to Catalan equals blank, this means we do not have internet. And if we put it in a not, that means we do have internet. And so let's put this thing inside of the condition. Now you could delete the second costume and you could delete everything in the first costume. Now we could use the text tool, and then we could write internet detected internet detected, and then you could also name this internet, and now you could duplicate this costume, and then you can name this no internet. And then you could do internet not detected. And now we could do show in the first one, then we could do switch costume to internet. And then in the second one, we could do switch costume to no internet. And let's see if this is working. So I click on the green flag. I have internet. But let me just turn my internet off. And you see it says internet not detected. So that's it for this video. Hope to like it. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And hit the bell icon on the top right corner. Bye!